What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. I traded Roku today via options. I shorted that sucker. Did pretty well. Check it out. Alright, guys, so let me bring up the chart here for you on Roku. And while I do that, do me one quick favor. Just one quick favor. I think I sold this a little bit too early. Make me feel better. Smash that like button for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you have, thank you very much for the sub. I really appreciate it. And here is the Roku daily chart. As you can tell, it is extremely weak. We've broken down under this 50-day. I did not get to trade in here. I did not trade in here, unfortunately. But today I caught a little piece here. Made a couple bucks. Nothing to write home about. But nice little green day, not bad at all. I don't have it live, unfortunately, this time, but I will walk you through it and I will show you my orders. So what happened today with Roku is it opened up and immediately sold off. And I mean, that's a sell-off, right? From 103.74 all the way down here to 99.70 is that sell-off. Well, when we bounced off of here, it was very nice increase in volume. You can see there was a lot of buying pressure showing up right there in front of that 99, 98 area. So one could think long. But I stayed watching here, and what I noticed was the volume wasn't hugely dramatic on this next candle. The following candle did have real good volume. I still wasn't short there. But when it rejected up here, I was like, huh. So I jumped in short in this candle right here, because of the weaker volume. Like, we can't bounce. I feel like we can't just bounce off of it, right? Well, I guess it didn't sell too early. So the very next candle here, well, I'm sorry, this one here is where I got short my puts. I did this via options. This next candle rejected again, and I was like, well, damn, this might look good after all. And I took some profit down here as we broke the low of the day. And I held on to the rest, the bulk, looking for a bigger push down to, like, I don't know, $97, $96 to scale out as we progress through that. However, didn't work out that way for me. And when we bounced off of 98, I got flat right here when we started to kind of break through the 90 MA. After I sold it, I regretted it. And I mean, immediately I did, because we rejected the 90 MA. I didn't allow it to test it thoroughly. We rejected the 90 MA. And we held it as resistance, and we came back down here, which would have put me back up nicely. If I was nervous or anything, I could have taken some off down there and, hold on to the rest till break even, which was my plan. However, it looks like I did the right thing, because as I'm doing this video, we have broken through the 90 MA and broken through VWAP on an increase in volume. So it seems like for now, at least, this $98 to $99 area on Roku is showing up as support, right? So it's something to watch. Here are my orders on this play right here. Bought Roku puts the 99.50 strike, today's expiration. I bought at $1.30, sold at $1.80, and sold at $1.44. And that was it. That's all I did today for me. That's it. I called it a day right then and there. There's a couple plays going on, but nothing to write home about. I mean, everything's pretty damn slow still. Look at this NCTY with a nice gap up, but faded and still fading. Who else? PRPO, man. I was really watching this one. I really wanted to play this, but look at that. The bell rang, and woof, it's like they pulled the rug out, and it was a trapdoor, and it went all the way down to the center of the Earth's core, because this thing just completely lost everything it gained, on that gap up. Look at the 15-minute chart. We're that. I mean, yesterday $3 was support. We're underneath $3 still. Does it still have a chance? I mean, maybe. You can't just say it doesn't, but it's Friday. The morning's almost on the way to be half gone. It's 10:17 a.m. right now. So I think I'm calling it a day right here. Gonna look forward to next month. Next Monday's still not the end. It's still not October. So next Monday is the last day of September. So I'm really looking forward to October. Small caps have been dead. It's a shorter's dream. I don't have shares to short on these small caps. Maybe in the future I will. I'm looking towards maybe applying that to my strategy and having at least the availability of being able to short some of these small caps. But for now, happy on my Roku options trade. Haven't traded options in a few weeks, so I'm really happy to be green on those. Let me know how you did today. Drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out yesterday's video, Traps Not to Fall in Your 20s. I think you're really going to enjoy it and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll catch you on the next one.